In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed moving image and audio in Miro. To get started, open your web browser and go to a GIF page on Giphy. Any GIF page that provides embed code will work, but it is easiest to follow along if you pick a single GIF and stay on its page. Once the GIF page loads, take a moment to confirm you are looking at the main page for that GIF, not just a search results grid. The reason this matters is that the embed options are typically available only on the individual GIF page. Next, locate the area on the Giphy page where sharing and embedding options appear. On many pages, this is shown as a button or section related to sharing. Click to highlight the option that reveals the embed choices. You are looking specifically for the embed feature that gives you code you can paste elsewhere. When you open this, you should see an embed code option, often labeled as a code snippet. Now click on Copy Code. This copies the embed code to your clipboard. It is important that you copy the full code exactly as provided, because missing even a small part can prevent the GIF from displaying properly. If you have multiple code options, choose the one intended for embedding on websites, commonly shown as an iframe-based embed. Keep the copied code ready because you will paste it into Miro next. After that, switch over to Miro and open the board where you want your moving image to appear. Click on the area of the board where you want to place the embed. You want to locate the Embed iframe code option inside Miro, which is the feature that allows you to insert external content using the code you copied. In Miro, this is typically presented as an embed or insert by code field. When you find the place that accepts Embed iframe code, click into it and paste the code you copied from Giphy. Take a second to make sure the entire code is pasted and that it is not cut off. Once it is pasted, confirm or apply the embed so Miro can render it on your board. After it loads, you should see the moving image embedded directly on the canvas, ready to share and present. That covers everything you need to know.